Tobela, Tumelang, Sanbona, good day. My name is Hayden Osborne. For those of you who haven't seen our introductory video, you can find it on the same YouTube channel, the IMS YouTube channel that you found this video on. We'll be making a series of videos, mostly aimed at assisting you to use tools. These are online IT tools for construction and project management, which we think will enhance your business and elevate your operations into the fourth industrial revolution, the so-called 4IR that everyone's talking about, to assist with analytics, understanding your business better, and making better management decisions. The purpose of this particular video, though, the second in our series, is to address challenges that we're facing with the program as at early August, and we've chosen to highlight three main issues that are facing most or many of the enterprises on the program, and that is firstly payment challenges, secondly the squaring of block work in the pits, which many contractors seem to be having problems with, and thirdly, it's the mix ratio for the 20 MPa strength concrete specified in the contract documentation. Right, to start with the payment challenges, firstly just to say that as in Kanyiso, we are on your side. We're doing everything in our power to assist you to make this project a success. We understand your frustrations. You are owed money. For those of you who haven't been paid, but we are here to unlock those obstacles or those challenges. And in this respect, we've engaged with the municipality, and we've discovered that in most of the cases where contractors haven't been paid, there's a problem with the central supplier database registration of the contractors in question. That is your CSD registration. Jonathan did send out a message yesterday indicating what information is required, and that you also are required to register with the Sekhukhune municipality. These administrative and registration issues are normally dealt with at the tender stage. Perhaps they were overlooked, but it's very urgent that you address these. The information that's required to facilitate to upload your details or update your details on the CSD and the municipality's own supplier database, a letter of confirmation of your bank account details from your bank, your registration number for the CSD, your email address, and the password that you use to access the website, the CSD website. We've identified a helpline. Mr. Maiza on that number 082-802-4179 can assist. Speak to your mentor if you're still struggling. As of the 5th or 6th of August, we will try and do everything that we can to ensure that you get paid by the end of this week latest. Please don't blame us if that's not the case. We'll continue to do everything that we can. The second major issue that we're encountering on site now is the squareness of the block work that's being constructed for the chamber of the pit latrines. People are still having problems with squaring up the corners of the block work. I just want to cover two very easy ways of confirming or checking that your building is square or has square corners, 90-degree corners. First of all, we can use the diagonal method, and we can also use the 3-4-5 triangle method. On the diagonals, simply corner to opposite corner. A the other way is B, and A must equal B. Otherwise, your building is not square. For the 3-4-5 triangle, simply if you have a three-sided structure or triangle where one side, the shortest is 3, let's say, meters. The next shortest or second longest is 4 meters. If you have a 5-meter line connecting those two sides, that means that the first corner is 90 degrees. The third problem that we've encountered on site is understanding the concrete mix design, or the ratio of 1 to 4 to 4, which is prescribed or specified in your contract documentation and the drawings that you've received. That is, typically indicates cement to sand to stone, but remember that these are equal parts or volumes that are required. Whether you use drums or wheelbarrows or whatever it is, the volumes concerned you must be using the same basis of measurement. So if we're using wheelbarrows, for example, it's 1 full wheelbarrow to 4, that is of cement, to 4 wheelbarrows of sand, to 4 wheelbarrows of 19 millimeter stone. The confusion that's arisen is when people understand the 1 for cement to mean 1 pocket of cement. In fact, there are 2 pockets of cement per wheelbarrow. So if you wish to use cement pockets as a unit of measure, then you should write that formula like this: 2 pockets of cement to 4 wheelbarrows of sand to 4 wheelbarrows of stone. So hopefully you found that video useful. We'll be doing more in the series. The next video will be how to log on to your project online. We'll be providing you with a password, a username and password. Those are the credentials you'll need to log into your project, to be able to see the progress, to be able to see the build-up of your rates, your program, your team sizes, your other resourcing, lots of very useful information. That'll be in our next video, and we look forward to communicating then.